Hi, Cancer. Now, before we start, I do want to mention that yes, I am available for private readings. And for more information on my services, please go to my website, firemoonalchemy.com. And if you are enjoying this content and find the messages helpful, I would appreciate your giving this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing. It doesn't cost you anything and it would help me out a lot. Okay, that being said, let's get to the messages. So, happy birthday, Cancer. Your cards for the month of June are the 10 of Swords and forgiveness of others. Now, this is interesting as the sun is transiting your 12th house of endings, karma, and spirituality before moving into your first house of self-identity mid-month. This is going to be quite a month for you. So now let's go ahead and read the message on your oracle card. And this is from the Art of Manifestation Oracle deck. And your card is number 16, Forgiveness of Others. So forgiveness does not mean something bad that happened to us was okay. Forgiveness means that we choose to move beyond the experience and to release any ongoing need for retribution. In doing so, we no longer need to keep the memory of what happened alive within us. This choice reinstates our entitlement to be in charge of our own lives. Interesting message there. So now, Cancer, I'm looking at your cards. Now, when the 10 of Swords comes out in my readings, this is my stick a fork in me, I'm done card. Although the image on this tarot card is quite jarring, look at the sunrise on the horizon. Yesterday is gone and today is a new day. Now, this tends to be a rough card that implies a loss of some kind or a betrayal, or it could even be a sign of overthinking. Now, whatever this is or was, thank goodness it's over. In June, both your tarot and astrology are offering you an invitation for a brand new start. Tens indicate endings and new beginnings in the tarot. In numerology, the number 10 breaks down to the number 1. Now, the number 1 card in the sword suit is the Ace of Swords. So what does this character in the 10 of Swords card do? He pulls one of the swords out of his back, returns to his feet, and claims his divine sovereignty. You may be down, but you are not out by any stretch of the imagination. There's only one way to go from here, Cancer, and it's up. Now, as I refer back to your oracle card, you are reminded that the power is within you to move forward. It's interesting as this card's number is 16, which adds up to number 7. And this is the Chariot tarot card from the major arcana, which corresponds to the zodiac sign of Cancer. How about that? Now, the Chariot is all about getting oneself together and moving forward. So you know what? I'm going to say if you are seeing this reading, this message was meant for you. Now, as your metaphysical consultant and friend, I am going to give it to you straight, Cancer. When you mentally replay an unpleasant scenario over and over in your mind, your body is literally reliving it again and again as if it were actually happening. Now, this is proven by science. So physiologically, this releases stress hormones that, if continued over time, can potentially develop into health challenges. Now, I ask you, is who or whatever this was for you worth it? As I'm glancing at the 10 of Swords, I'm going to say no. Take the time you need in order to heal, but also remind yourself that what's done is done. No more what ifs. You did your best according to your life experience, information, and resources that were available to you at the time. Give yourself some grace. Put this behind you and move on for your well-deserved peace and well-being. Now let's shift this energy. It's time for some good news. Jupiter, the planet of luck and expansion, is also transiting your 12th house of endings, karma, and spirituality. So this supportive influence is a positive sign that at the conclusion of a challenging situation, there is a beautiful blessing that comes in shortly afterwards. Now, Cancer, particularly in early June, indulge in gentle activities that nurture your spirit. If you can, you may want to consider a massage, acupuncture, or some type of gentle exercise to help you release tension in the body. Spend some quiet time outside, listen to uplifting podcasts, explore your spiritual side, eat healthy foods, etc. Eliminate negative input as much as possible. I'm just going to say here, the remove, hide, and block options on your social media are your friends for the month of June. And again, the 10 of Swords here indicates that you could use some me time. Nurture all aspects of yourself, mind, body, and spirit. And spend time by the water or the beach if you can. Now, mid-month, that self-care regime pays off. Don't be surprised to find yourself feeling pretty dang good. There's that Ace of Swords energy kicking in. And this could be around the time of your birthday. So, hey, if you're feeling good, go celebrate. And surround yourself with people that you love and have fun with. Now, if this is a milestone birthday for you, this could be the start of an exciting new journey as you embrace new philosophies, people, and experiences that nurture your soul. Now, the full moon in Capricorn on the 21st in your 7th house of contracts and partnerships will highlight opportunities or decisions in this sector of your life. And this can be a real turning point for you as you will be feeling quite confident with the sun in your 1st house at the same time. Mercury and Venus is accompanying the sun as well here in that 1st house. So advocating for yourself at work or in your relationships will yield positive results as long as you kindly but firmly hold your ground. All in all, Cancer, the month of June presents its challenges, but it also comes with great rewards as you turn the page to a new chapter in your book of life. Okay, that about wraps it up for me. I hope you found these messages helpful. Cancer, I love you and I wish you the best for the month of June.